What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today of course I have a new dance tutorial for you. It's the song called Kiss It Better by Rihanna. Alright, so let's go to the studio and meet the girls and start. Alright, ready? So for this one, we're gonna start on the floor. So you're gonna go up on one. By the way, you need to tip your head, your hair. 6, 7, and you need to say when you go up. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. You gotta go 4. Yes, one more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then open your left, going to your left. 4, go 5, head on 6, and 7, 8. One more time. Let's do it slowly. Move a little bit here, Agnes. I'm afraid you hit your head there. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, head on 6, and a 7, 8. Let me see. One more time. Faster this time. 5, 6, 7. Siri, I'm not talking to you. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5 ahead and 7, 8. Good. Next. You got it? All right. Next, you're gonna walk to the front, right? 1, not on 2, hug on 3, and 4 to the front. Copy, then hips on 5, 6, lift on 7, drop on 8. You got it? Don't forget to smile or bite your lips. More time. So we finish on 7 and 8. Walk to the front. 1, not hug on 3, 4. Hips on 5. Left, up on 7, drop on 8. Let's combine first and second. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5 and a 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up on 7, drop on 8. Good job. Next, we move back a little bit. So with your knee. 6, 7, 8. Sit on 1. Drop on 2. Close on 3. And 4. And 4. Lift your head on 5. Touch on 6, 7. Look up on 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 4, 3, 4. This is 5. Lift on 6, 7, 8. Alright. Correction. Lift on 6. Touch on 7. Look up on 8. For the last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, up. Why you have so many like that? 7 and 8. Okay, let's combine from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head on 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Up and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop on 5. Look up on 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. So from here 7, 8, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. So body isolation. 7, 8. 1, 2. Close on 3. Again 7, 8. 1, 2. Sorry, here. 3. Then arch your back. 4, go 5, point on 6, and 7, 8. Where are you going? Go on. Alright? Let's try again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. Arch. You need to arch your back. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Copy that? Let's start from the beginning. And down. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, nod, hug. 4, hips, hips, lift and down. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, arch. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Okay, next. So we're gonna go up 4 counts. Going up. Go 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. Make sure it's close. All right. 4. Then side on 5. This one punch on 6. Grab on 7. Close. Hit on 8. One more time. So it goes like a 6, 7, 8. Up to 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. Side on 5, 6. You need to pull it like, what's this? Like a water. 7, cross, 8. Do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Good job. So from here, 8. This one, we walk first. 1, 2, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? That's the walk. Then the arm. 1, 1, not on 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Drop on 8. I'm so close. Back. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop on 8. Okay? Next. From here. 7, 8. Brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Alright, one more time. From here, drop 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set, bend, body 8. Okay? Then walk on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, open on 8. Alright, let's try one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, slow, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, open on 8. Good job. Let's start on the floor. From the floor, from here. The recovery. So 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then faster, faster, faster. Let's start from the beginning. Here we go. Everyone ready? From the top. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head 7, 8. Step 1. Nod, hug. 4. Hips, hips up, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, drop it, 6, 7, arch, 2, 3, arch, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here. So you're gonna go, by the way, so from here 6, 7, and 8. So give me 2 more counts, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, then pass, 5, 6, open, and 8. Alright, move back here a little bit. You got that one? So 5, 6, 7, this one. Then move for 6, 7, and then 1, 2. Then lift on 3, close on 4. One more time, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that? 3, 4, overhead on 5. Lift on 6. Cross 7. 7, hit 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Head right to the back. 5, lift on 6. Cross on 7, lift on 8. Let's do it faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. You can throw your hand if you like. 6, 7, 8 you can throw, but I prepare just 8. Okay? Got it? Next, last one. This one is super easy. 7, 8. You just walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And go 8. Drop on 1. Then add it. Got it? Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump on 7. Sorry, 7. Drop on 8. One more time. Simple as that. 6, 7, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump 7. Drop on 8. Then you can add lid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything. Okay? Good job. Let's try from the back. After this, we're going to repeat from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Control. 3, 4, 5. Jump. 7, 8. Then ad lib anything. You can go to the floor. Yes. Yes. Oh. Alright. Alright. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. Here we go. Are you ready? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Head. 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 8 and 1. Nod. Half. Point. Hips. Hips. Up and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3. Arch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7. 1. Nod. 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Faster down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Slow. 3. Jump. 7, 8. Ad lib. Good job. thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments on our video. And if you like this kind of videos, choreography, dance, you can just check my YouTube channel, Bryan Taguilid, and go to the playlist. I have a bunch of playlists that you can search there. There's choreography, sexy dance, dance tutorial, contemporary, a lot, and some stupid vlogs. All right, so thank you guys so much again, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.